Well, I'm going to try to get a little done today out here on my the back side of my shop. This is the other carport that broke. I'm just going to try to get as much of this stuff out of here as I can. And then I'm going to cut my gator out. I don't know how much I'm going to get done today, but it's going to be warm this afternoon and we might go for a little spin on the bikes. So let me start. I'm going to start by disconnecting this and getting that out of here. Everything that could be damaged by weather or rain, I'm going to put inside that living room there. Or even further back beyond my buffing room, there's a gigantic closet, which is the size of a bedroom, really. And I could probably store this stuff back in there without a problem. So let me start gathering stuff up and getting it in there. All right. That's what I got cut up so far. I've got almost everything moved out of here. This, I can save that. Let me sit down. Oh, Lordy. I'm either gonna have to dump that into something I can carry or carry it. That's my quench tank, and it's about 2/3 full. This I can move. Okay, I got my John Deere out. That's the important thing. All right, I think depending on what time it is, we got some new grips for my wife's motorcycle. If it's not too late, I think I may go put them on for her. Okay, last shot. I got everything out of there now, but except for my quench tank. But I was thinking, I think 1, 2, 3. These are 12 foot long. I may have enough of these. These are 4, 8, 12 by 12. I may have enough of these to build a small, if I do keep my gator, I can build a small little carport to keep it under right here. And I am so on the fence about my gator. I only have 66 hours on it. I've had it 2 years, but I'm having a harder and harder time walking any great distances. I'm not going to go into details. I'm so tired of things going wrong. Right now, I got to concentrate on my shoulder. I'm going to have to go see if I can get a steroid shot in my shoulder to get me through the summer, and maybe during the winter have rotator cuff surgery. And it's my right arm, of course, the one I do everything with. Gee, I hear a train. Okay. And then there's my knee, then there's my foot, then there's my back, then there's my neck, and then there's my breathing. I'm just slowly disintegrating here. I'm gonna wake up and there's gonna be nothing left of me but a bunch of broken parts. Oh well, as long as I can get up every day. And anyway, I'm glad to be alive. Life is good, life is good. Look at that sky. I'm a little worried about that tree over my garage. That tree right there is not leafing out. And you can see that we lost the azaleas the winter. That snow we had, we lost azaleas. Them azaleas have been there for 50 freaking years. After 50 years, snow killed them. Huh. Oh yeah, I got one more thing to do. I had the leak. Let me walk back here. The leak that I had, I found it. I had to turn the water on and have my wife stand back here and find the water coming up out of the ground. And then she called me on my phone so I could shut the water back off. That's it. That's rainwater. We had a hell of a rainstorm. But I'm fixing to fill this hole back in. We're done with leaks. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Welcome to BC's in-depth coffee review. This coffee sucks. don't buy it. There you go.